Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Today, we will be discussing a company that has established itself as one of the preeminent names in the natural resource space, displaying the virtues of proven management, disciplined share structure with district-scale land packages. I'm speaking of Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden, trading on the TSX Venture, RRI, and on the OTC RSVDF. Joining us today is the President and CEO of Riverside Resources, Dr. John Mark Staude. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you, Maurice. Wonderful to be on your show.
Full disclosure, we are proud shareholders of Riverside Resources for the virtues we will convey today. Now, for investors joining us for the first time, Proven and Probable began sharing the value proposition of Riverside Resources 8 months ago. The stock has nearly doubled since then, and this is due largely in part to the proven management of Riverside Resources and their determination to create value for shareholders. Now, we believe the market has not come close to distinguishing the value proposition for Riverside Resources, and we will address some of these reasons in today's interview. And it's also important to note that Riverside Resources has been hand-selected by legendary investor Rick Rule of Sprott Global Resource Investments to be one of the featured exhibitors at the Sprott Natural Resource Symposium, which he and Sprott has invested in ongoingly for over 10 years, which is quite the distinction because this in essence is the golden seal of approval and puts Riverside Resources in an elite group. John Mark, before we begin today's discussion, for first-time listeners, can you please share what is a project generator?
A project generator is a form of mineral exploration company. The mineral exploration company that uses partner funding to de-risk the projects. Riverside generates properties and then has partners spend the money drilling and doing the exploration, and together we make discoveries. It's a wonderful way of low risk, high return mineral exploration.
All right, John Mark. Now, Riverside has had a number of press releases that we need to share with listeners. What is the current state of the Glor project?
We're really excited about the Glor project. It's a gold project in northern Sonora, Mexico, where we're working with our partner, Centerra Gold. Centerra is 100% fully funding, and we're finding exposed mineralization at the surface with trenches and with soils, which we put out recently as news, and is next to an existing operating mine operated by Alamos Gold. We're excited to have such a strong project and have Centerra Gold fully funding the joint venture work with us.
It's truly exciting. You know, we addressed some catalysts in our interview last month, which are really coming to fruition right now. What can you share with us regarding the Cecilia Gold Silver Project?
We're so excited by this one. It's one that we couldn't talk about because we just closed the deal finally, and so now it as a catalyst. Gives us a key asset. It's another open pit oxide gold project near the surface with gold mineralization. Previous drilling and exploration has shown to be very fertile, good area with big structures and big potential. We are delighted. We purchased one part of it. We've consolidated and optioned the rest. So in 2017, as predicted, Riverside's on track to unlock the value for Riverside shareholders with the Cecilia Gold Project. We're delighted. It's a very exciting step for us to have gotten done already in 2017.
Yes, it is. It is quite a catalyst. Now, going forward with Antofagasta, what would you like to share with us?
You know, we're so excited. We were able to get done with the first round of drilling, and they've decided to continue, which is a real stamp of approval, having a major company like Antofagasta, a giant copper miner, choosing Riverside as the prospect generator to forward the program where we're fully doing the work and they are fully funding. The next step will be surface exploration with the next press release linked to the targeting that we're doing with satellites and with on-the-ground work toward additional drill targets in 2017.
You know, John Mark, this is just phenomenal. To see what management is doing to really enhance the value for shareholders is just quite exciting to see. And we've seen the results here in 8 months. The stock has nearly doubled. And we know that that's not necessarily indicative of what may happen tomorrow or in the next 6 months, but it's just reflective of the hard work and the prudence and the due diligence by you. So kudos to you. Now, before we close today's discussion, I have one last question, and that is, what did I forget to ask?
Well, I'll answer that. And also, success is a team, and Riverside is a team, and that's what prospect generation is working as a team. So I think what you forgot to ask is, who do we have? Who do we have is proven discoverers. Having John Burke, previously the vice president of exploration at major companies like Centerra Gold and Silver Standard, to be working with Riverside, to have team that can get deals done, team that can actually do the work on the ground, and lastly, the team that can market and present the stories. So Riverside is set up to do that. And so I think for 2017, the upside is amazing because we have multiple drill projects. We have a tight share structure with only 37 million shares out. We have a good cash position with over $3 million cash and no debt. And now we have drilling by partners, Centerra Gold, Antofagasta, 2 spin-out companies. We're very set up. So I think what you forgot to ask is, what's the upside? And what we see is the sky's the limit. We're really excited. We're very enthusiastic. And we've set up the things for 2017. Delighted.
This is just truly remarkable again. So as a shareholder myself, this is one of the reasons why, and I shared in the beginning of the introduction, this is one of the reasons we recognize the value proposition. And I don't think the sky's the limit. I think the sky's just the beginning.
Well, we're trying hard.
John Mark, if investors wish to get more information regarding Riverside Resources, please share with us the contact information.
Please come to our website, which is rivres.com, rivres.com, or call us on the phone, 778-327-6671. We'd love to talk to you, interact with you. Go ahead and send us an email. Delight to follow up. Our trading symbol is RRI.
And to help streamline the emails, please put in the subject line, proven and probable. And last but not least, please visit our website, www.provenandprobable.com. Through Miles Franklin Precious Metals Investments, we offer gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, self-directed IRAs, offshore storage, and safe deposit boxes, which are fully insured and secured by Brinks. The website again is www.provenandprobable.com. Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.